Want to kickstart your career in tech? Or maybe build skills to land that dream job in IT? The journey begins with Python, the world's most in-demand programming language. Introducing Learn Python Fundamentals from Scratch. A comprehensive course designed for absolute beginners. No prior programming experience? No problem. We'll guide you step by step. Master the building blocks of programming, variables, loops, and functions. By the end, you'll be coding confidently and ready to tackle real-world projects. Flexible, interactive lessons. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Plus, get access to expert support and a vibrant community. Don't wait! Start your journey into Python today and unlock endless opportunities in tech. Enroll now, because your future in tech begins today. To enroll, just click on the button below. Thanks for watching. Let's get in touch.